Well, hi, this is Dr. Will, and this is another video to see whether we can get an old arcing, sparking microwave back working again before throwing it away. The natural thing would be to chuck it away. Microwaves are quite cheap, but I thought I'd give it a go. I found a kit, a repair kit, to see whether I can actually repair it for the cost of £15–16. Don't go away, watch this video and let's see whether we can or whether we can't. So this is the old waveguide, which you can see is pretty damaged. I think that conducts somehow that conducts the microwaves. I bought a brand new one for about £4, I think, which fits in perfectly, and that just slots in just in the side here. That's the old one, so I'm going to put the new one in. And the kit, which must be microwave cavity safe, consists of a little, what they call a little tinlet, tiny thing of paint, 2 stirrers, a wire brush, 2 paint brushes, and rough and smooth sandpaper. And they even contain a glove. That was about £11, £11.99, something like that. So for the cost of £15–16, I think we'll give this a go and see if we can get this old girl working again. Saves chucking it into landfill. As you can see, it's pretty bad in there. And also I've had to replace the waveguide, which I'll tell you about shortly. Okay, so I've done my best with the wire brush. Now we're going to use this coarse sandpaper. Right, as this is quite hard work, I decided it's time to bring in my proper sander now. Hope for saving a bit of time. Right, so we're going to open this very sweet little tin, which they call a tinlet. I don't know whether the colour is going to be exactly the same, but it doesn't really matter. This might not be a permanent fix, but at least it could be a good temporary fix, and hopefully this will keep the microwave going for another year or so. And as I said, saves chucking it into landfill. So I've sanded it down the best that I can, within reason. Let's see what... Oh, that's going to be a pretty good match, you know. Right, let's get on these brushes. Oh yes, that's a very good match. Very good colour. Almost the same. the next day and the paint has had time to dry. All that remains now is I've taken out the damaged waveguide card. I'm going to put the new one in and then we can give it a whirl. So I've checked this before, it seems to be a compatible universal size. I think it just slots in quite easily. You've got 2 grooves there, like so, and 2 on the other side. Good, that fits in nicely. And we'll just put the accessories in. All had a nice wash. And I think the key thing to take away is that it's essential after each use to perhaps open the door, let any condensation out, because apparently a lot of moisture is retained within the microwave, and then give it a good wipe down every time. So I'm just going to find my wife and we're going to give it a blast and see what happens. Okay, so the porridge is going in. And I fire her up. You ready to give it a go? 2 minutes, let's give this a go. Wow, would that have sparked normally? No sparking so far. That's positive then, isn't it? I think we're safe, I think we got away with it. Five, 2, 1. Right, now's the time to see whether the porridge has turned a funny colour. Let's see. Oh wow, it looks normal. Paint's not come off. It's all hot. Yep, that's all hot. That's good. Job done. As you can see, I'm really pleased to say that was a great success. So definitely worth having a go. It took me just a few hours. The kit, as I say, cost me £16. It was £4 for a waveguide card, maybe £11 on eBay for the microwave cavity touch-up paint. That included the brush, the sandpaper, the tinlet of paint. There was more than adequate. I put 2 coats on and there's still plenty left. The thing I've taken away is that I should paint the roof of the microwave because I can see some degradation there. And the most important thing, after every use, we're going to open the door, keep the door open, get rid of the moisture and just give the machine a wipe down, and I think we should be good to go. So thanks for watching, and as ever, if you've enjoyed the video, please do like and subscribe and keep an eye out for future videos. Thank you.